Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on euro currency. So we thought that maybe we're on the way to the Christmas holidays, activity start dropping, but well, at least today, yesterday, we see that market has formed significant action on the intraday charts, and that mostly stands, I would say, in favor of the upward continuation, just because this is definitely not in the context of the bearish background. So currently, with this performance that we've got yesterday, this upward action, potential ABCD pattern has significantly less chances to happen. Just because on the way up, as I will show you a bit later, this market has broken all the resistance levels. Or some other patterns might be formed that suggest the taking out of this top. So, and it means that market could keep going higher. This, well, let's draw it as a butterfly. But its next target will be anywhere around 1075, 1086, right there. So that's what we have discussed on euro currency in the weekend. Speaking about the current situation, all this turmoil in the Red Sea around Yemen, you could see that makes no big impact on the markets by far. Yes, it's triggered the rally on the crude oil, which is actually understandable. But if we'll take a look at the other assets, we would not see strong demand for United States dollar, for example. You could see that dollar has dropped yesterday, despite on rising of the escalation in this region, and simultaneously things that we have discussed on the 10-year yield. You could see that market hasn't quite reached the XOP yet. It means that in the shorter term, at least at the end of the week, market could keep going lower and drop could keep falling, which provides some pressure on the United States dollar, and it gives nice chances to the euro currency setup to show the upward action. Maybe we will not reach the daily target, but at least we could consider something on the intraday charts. For example, on the follow time frame chart, you could see this pattern that we discussed. Well, head and shoulders, not hand shoulders, but some kind of I don't know, some call it as a cap and a handle. But anyway, this is the bullish structure. And yesterday you could see no grubbers have been formed. So you could see yesterday we said keep an eye on this area and watch whether grubbers will be formed. No grubbers have been formed. Market just moved higher. And right now, let's take a look. It might be grubber, but in a different direction. So this grubber suggests action above this top, which simultaneously means that market should keep going higher and probably challenge this top. This is our short-term setup for now. We suggest some upward action here. So once again, I would like to mention the idea of the averaging of the position. When you have some confidence in a direction, but you do not know where to take the position, the averaging of your position, scale in, gradual step in the position, it's always, in most cases, provide better results. So as well as yesterday we said that you could try to take a position right now, but if market drop, you could add more, or you could wait just for ABCD retracement. Those who apply scale in right now already involved in the trade, although with a lower trading volume, but they have this upward action that we've got recently. So, and very often this tool for entry shows good results. So for now, let's keep watching what will happen on the grubber. Just control that it will be confirmed. If it will be confirmed, we get more confirmation, more confidence with the possible upward action. Those who haven't taken position yesterday, you could do this right now if you'd like to take the long position, because market right now shows the minor downside retracement to the 109.50 area. So this is support. Here, as you could see, BCD market completes the XOP. We thought that it may be just some kind of the action to the OP, but you can see market has moved higher and has broken all the levels, resistance levels here of this recent drop. So this stands against any bearish scenario, especially this recent acceleration to the XOP. This is not typical for the bearish scenario. If we would suggest the ABCD pattern to the downside, this is not the way how market should behave. That's why my suggestion is that we currently short-term context is changing, and we could get upward continuation with a high degree of the probability. Possible targets, well, actually you see it in the picture, so it might be the butterfly with the extension to the 1040 initially. And this target probably could be achieved this week. So 2-3 sessions is more than enough to show this upward direction and challenge the stop, especially if it will be supported by the drop of the interest rates in the United States. So that's in 2 words that we intend to keep an eye on. Hopefully it will work nice. Let's see. But honestly speaking, guys, I'm a bit surprising with this performance, just because this turmoil, geopolitical turmoil in the Middle East right now has no impact on the dollar. This is first moment. Second, yesterday we have posted the recent statistics on European inflation in our Telegram channel, and it shows that actually inflation is dropping faster than anticipated, than it's expected in Europe, which is actually obvious. Those who read our analysis in the weekend understand why this is obvious. So, and recall what we have spoken about in the weekly report. We suggest that yes, currently market stands in euphoria of the anticipation of the rate cut, and actually EUR is rising right now on the background of this rate cut. But with the recent statistics, it seems, and we said about this, that who could guarantee that European Central Bank will not start cutting rate even faster than the Fed. And with recent statistics, although markets right now just ignore it or just not understand that, but it really might become the obvious very soon, and this could break the some bullish sentiment on the market, I mean on the euro currency. So just keep watching and be careful about this if you intend to take the long position on the euro currency in high time frames, in the weekly, for example. This could make a direct impact on this performance. So let's see what will happen.